Hello, hello. It's Genesee Henry. Who loved Mad Men? Who loves New York City, the 1940s, and fascinating women? Now that I have everyone's attention, let's start our book in a minute, Miss Subways. The book chapters alternate between two characters and time periods. Rosemary is a young, fresh, optimistic college woman in 1949 Brooklyn. Her dream? To work at a Madison Avenue ad agency. And our 2018 woman is Olivia. She's in her late 20s, a driven and talented woman working her dream job at a boutique New York ad agency. I enjoy history, so I was fascinated to learn that there is a New York Transit ad campaign for 25 years that featured a Miss Subways of the Month. Charlotte in 1949 hopes that winning the Miss Subways contest will be her brass ring for the future. But love and life, family and society, all those expectations can be messy. Olivia in the present day is also struggling to achieve her best life. Both Charlotte and Olivia learned that time has a really incredible way of dulling feelings that you think will be sharp for your entire life. Something for us all to ponder. The author is an adept storyteller, and this book will both fascinate and move you. I enjoyed this women's fiction. Here's to Miss Subways. Thanks for listening, and let's stay connected.